Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to be unboxing the Feedback Sports Velo Cache 2-bike storage rack. So for me, I wanted to have a rack where I can display my bikes, because to me, for my bikes are not just bikes that I ride for health, for exercise, or for leisure, or for fun, but I also view those bikes as if they're works of art, mechanical engineering pieces of art. So I like to display my bikes also, not just out in the garage, but I also like to bring them in the house so I can appreciate like they're pieces and works of art. So tonight we'll go ahead and unbox the rack, put it together, and then I'm also going to go ahead and set it up in my room where I like to look at my bikes and have them on display in my room. So without further ado, go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on putting the box. Okay, so out of the box it comes with the mounting hardware. In there it also has the instructions and the an Allen wrench or an Allen key for you to put the rack together. Two triangular base plates to install the rack together from the top to the bottom piece. The stand itself, and then there's 4 arms that come out that hold the bike onto the rack. And these are adjustable. You can move them up and down to adjust for your top tube where they're going to be mounted. So normally in the garage I have my bikes mounted up on the wall like this, and this is the Feedback Sports Velo 2D bike rack, wall mounted bike rack. And then these two I just have on pro stands. So these are actually mounted on the wall to the studs. And the arms are extendable in and out, and then you can move them up and down to adjust for your top tube. So this is my room, and normally I have at least one bike in here. And this is currently how I have it set up. And this is also on the feedback stand as well. Okay, so here's the product put together, both bikes on the rack. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And I hope this gives you some inspiration. Thank you, and see you on the next video.